She literally gave me a fake, like she gave me a fake name, right? Stop! You're under arrest! Female at the Walgreens. Stop resisting! Let me go. You're under arrest now. You are under arrest. Come out with your hands up.
$40 shoplifting charge. 3 criminal counts. A combined maximum of 35 years in prison. How does a misdemeanor become a first-degree felony in under 60 seconds? The answer lies not in what was stolen, but in every decision made after.
Where are you going? Stop! You're under arrest! It's funny, I'm out with a female at the Walgreens. No, please. Please. Stop right now. Please. Stop resisting. Please. Let me go. You're under arrest now. Please let me go. Oh, you're under arrest. Please let go of my gun. Oh, stop. Please. You are under arrest. Please let go of my gun. Please let go of my gun. Stop right now. You're resisting. Please let go of my gun. I'm not letting you go. Please let go of my gun. Please stop. You grab me. Please let go of me. You're going to jail. Please. You got nowhere to go back here. Right, let's go. I'm going to get you on the other side. Let go of me. Please don't. Please. My backup's coming, and you're going to get tased. Please don't. Stop right now. Please. Okay. All right. Stop. Okay. Hands up now. Hands up. You're under arrest. You understand me? I can't put my other hand up. Don't. Put your hand up. Oh. 20 Walgreens, Ingalls and Larkin. Female bit me.
And in a few minutes, the officer will find out why this is a huge problem, specifically in regards to the sketchy profession of the female and what she is known for in the local area.
She's in the wood, tree line here.
We got units around. 22 on my black and Larkin. Hold on, I'm almost there.
You're gonna get tased as soon as you get out of here! Give me a unit. Yeah, she's in there somewhere. Female white wearing a white hoodie.
Female white, blonde hair, white hoodie.
Ma'am, you are surrounded. You are under arrest. Come out with your hands up.
Oh, no! The canine is coming. You're gonna get bit. You better sound off right now. Get your hands up.
Come on out. I hear you. Hands up. You lost. You just made matters worse for yourself. Come on out. She's definitely in it. She didn't jump out. She wouldn't be able to jump out that fast.
160236.
That's where she jumped over, right there to your left. And she dunked down over here. Can we get a unit to the north side of the building? She dropped her purse. Probably has the merchandise in it, maybe an ID. You are under arrest. Come out with your hands up before you make it worse for yourself.
21 got bit, right?
I got it.
You got bit? Yeah. You just take your coat off in here just to make sure.
Lady bit me. Yeah.
No way.
Comes back to Samantha Bravado. Out of Crystal.
No, where'd you?
It's Samantha, she should be 99.
She didn't break through her skin at all.
Right here.
Okay.
At the 2 marks
Yeah, she
there.
got me 99 in the county.
Yeah. She didn't even really break skin. Sarge said she's a
25 up to
prostitute.
23.
So
The west place was
Oh, come on.
That's what he said. So the big thing is just make sure you clean it. And she didn't break the skin, which is a
A
good thing.
little bit of blood, but
I would say, yeah, because that's disinfectant, so that would be your best shot right now, just to keep it clean, try and kill it. And then, yeah, the big thing is just, yeah, awesome, man.
they thought she was stealing. I was talking to them inside about some other case, and she just slides out, starts running. I'm like, well, that's good enough for me.
Yeah.
Just chased her, jumped over there.
So she's hiding out there somewhere?
Yeah, she's in there.
Wow.
You saw her jump this fence? She jumped right over here. I held on to her as long as I could, so she. Then she went, tried to get to the other side. I ran around. She never made it. And she tried to crawl and dunk down, so she's laying down right here in the brush.
All right. Joliet Police K-9! Amanda! In the wood lines! You are under arrest! You are under arrest! Make yourself known right now! I'm going for you to search! He will find you and he will fight you! Masked man! Surrender now! Joliet Police K-9! your hands up.
All right.
Good job, guys.
Before I go, I know I'm going to go to I have to go to the hospital.
Get on your toes. Get on your feet.
I'm
Is she already crying for an ambulance?
Yes.
Yeah.
14, social back.
Stand up.
Just a bunch of stuff in her bag.
Merchandise? Yeah. Well, they're going to be good here. I'm going to go
You want the bag?
Yeah, I'll get the bag. I'll get it.
There's her stuff.
Thanks. She bit me. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. They wanted you to show up even though I was in the...
Okay.
Yeah, I can't, like, I've dealt with her 1,000 times. I've never known, like, she punched me. But, yeah.
Can you get him to do a show up?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it, though. In the car.
Alright.
You alright?
Yeah, she barely cut the skin. I'm more pissed off than her. She bit me.
Yeah, she saw you and she just took off from it, right?
I tried to lean in and see if I could see anything. I couldn't see anything. You guys didn't have her or anything. I didn't have anything. And, but running in the high crime area is enough to to go after. So can you just see what is yours? Yeah. I'll get a property theft log.
52 come to the rear of Walgreens.
You want me to at least handle the retail theft portion? You just handle the like.
No, it'll be all together. So.
You okay?
Yeah. Can you grab me a retail theft?
Well, we're headed over there now.
That's not sure.
We call it.
What's up, man? You good?
Yeah.
I want to see.
Barely broke the skin.
Yeah, you probably gotta look. Still gotta get looked at. I'm sure dirty.
They looked at it and said just clean it up and that's all I need.
Okay.
And then they documented for whatever on a report. Just.
All right, as long as you're good with that, now we can get you some swing up there. Okay. Get your Tdap shot. They clean it up for you?
Yeah, well,
Okay.
we put some
Stuff on it?
antibacterial stuff. Yeah.
What was she stealing? Was that the problem?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I came in here to talk about a different case. See if they had video from a different case. They told me, hey, good timing. This lady, her purse is getting larger and larger and larger.
Sure.
They didn't see anything taken for sure. So I stood by the register, figured I'd deter. Tried peeking in her purse as she was trying to check out a few items she had.
She didn't agree with that?
Then she just slid and then
Gotcha.
just booked
Okay.
it. So I took chase.
As long as you guys are good.
Pants when she was in here?
That's what I was holding on to for dear life.
No. Listen, the old pants in the bushes street.
Well, I'll see you guys down at the station then, just whenever you're done.
Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Right place at the right time or the wrong place at the wrong time.
When's the last time this dude chased somebody out, got bit?
Oh, no. I'm too big to be around. Damn.
You know, with all the crazy people every time.
No judgments. You know, just asking questions. That's all. You know, I've arrested this woman so many times, and the last time I arrested her, she literally gave me a fake. Like she gave me a fake name, right? But like when I walked up to her, I was like, "Hey, what's going on, Samantha?" She's like, "That's not my name." I'm like, "Oh, I'm so sorry." I genuinely felt bad because I thought I called her wrong. And then later on, I'm like, "You asshole!" Like, you had me really thinking that I called you out your name. She's like, "I know more." Like that was so stupid. Like why to him? He's never met you.
Yeah.
I think you tried giant rocks or something crazy.
Crap. I don't think that's anything like crazy.
Massive rock.
Massive crack addict. Gonna test it?
No, absolutely. Looks scratchy. I got tender lips.
Whoever's behind me, I'm
I almost crashed.
So this is all we're looking at pretty much. Is this yours or is this yours?
No, that's hers. And then, yeah, she actually bought that.
Did she buy it? Because
Yeah,
she was in the process.
Yeah, she bought that.
Oh, at the pharmacy.
Yeah, and then she was walking around with that bag. And that's what she was
Thomas?
Yeah, it was,
How about these?
Yeah, those two. Yeah, she bought.
Is this yours too or no?
Yeah, that's ours. Yeah, she bought the telephone and the syringes.
This yours?
That's hers.
So was that maybe $40 worth of stuff right there?
Yeah, she definitely bailed on. We found some stuff over that she didn't leave the store with. So she must have saw him and just immediately was like, okay, put some of this stuff back. Then she bought like a few items to the register. It was like a date.
She was acting like weird. We were watching her for like 20 minutes. I dealt with her. You alright?
Yeah.
She didn't break the skin or anything?
She did a little bit, but they
I would go get checked. You know what I mean? Like,
they were saying it wasn't
your hand, not them. You know she's a well-known prostitute.
3423.
How well known?
She's advertises.
Oh, I was just asking how.
Is that right there?
Yeah.
That's broken skin, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
Can you call 17 see if there's another way in?
You got everything to lose and nothing to gain, so might as well go. That is broken skin.
Yeah.
I'm sure I can handle the retail theft bullshit. Do a follow up.
Yeah. Dude, why don't you do that and go straight to the hospital? Get that moving.
Do I got a quick follow up?
Do you have a body cam, or is that an extra holder?
That's an extra holder.
Okay.
I got an extra body camera at the station. Because I probably drive to different places.
Yeah, you should probably do that.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Alright. Time.
It's for the best, man.
Yeah.
I mean, get a tetanus shot, you know, at the very least, get a tetanus
They'll
shot.
give you a lollipop.
Alright. I do want to go with the PCS too.
Yeah.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 US, 1,968. A lawful investigative stop requires reasonable articulable suspicion, not confirmation of a completed crime. Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 US, 119, 2000. Unprovoked flight from police in a high-crime area independently contributes to reasonable suspicion. Graham v. Connor, 490 US, 386, 1,989. Use of force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment, not in hindsight. Florida Statute 843.1. Resisting with violence. Knowingly using physical force against an officer in lawful performance of duty is a third-degree felony. Maximum exposure under 843.1. 5 years imprisonment, 5 years probation, and a $5,000 fine. Florida Statute 784. 7 elevates battery on a law enforcement officer to aggravated battery when the act carries risk of serious bodily harm. A human bite that breaks skin creates documented transmission pathways for hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV, satisfying the serious harm threshold. Aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer under 784.S7 is a first-degree felony. Maximum 30 years imprisonment and a $10,000 fine. Florida Statute 812.14. Theft valued below $100 is a second-degree misdemeanor. Maximum 60 days jail and a $500 fine. Lesson: each act of resistance after initial flight generates an independent criminal count. Flight, fence, bite, 3 separate felony-level events. Post-exposure protocol. A human bite by a known high-risk individual requires immediate medical evaluation. Prophylaxis loses effectiveness beyond 72 hours. But the critical question remains. Did the officer possess sufficient legal basis to approach before she fled? Employee observation alone may not meet the threshold. If the initial contact lacked legal foundation, every charge that followed becomes contestable in court. Where does this case stand now? That answer has not been given.